Good morning. We got off to a late start, but we're actually heading out to the Hoover Dam today. So we're doing a first pit stop. Everyone to the direction.
Wow. It's beautiful. Look on this side.
Finally parked to get to the Hoover Dam. Getting in the Hoover Dam. It's so pretty, but it's really hot. So right now, we didn't even get to eat breakfast. So we're just walking. So we are by the state line.
We're in Arizona right now. I'm sorry.
In two states at once. The line, Nevada and Arizona.
Arizona and Nevada.
Yep. At once.
That's out by us.
So we crossed that off our list. Not even catching a plane. That was pretty cool.
States at once.
See, in Hawaii, all you see is mountains with lush green, beautiful trees. Out here, it's total opposite. It's desert. We were gonna do a tour inside, but ain't nobody got time for that. We're on a tight schedule. Tomorrow we leave, so it's pretty disappointing. Even my son doesn't want to go.
Don't worry, Daddy.
That's all I hear him saying is no. But walking to the car now. Mi familia. I'm gonna miss Vegas. Since we have to wait to eat dinner, the number that it's on right now is 64 and our number is 94. So that's fun. Right now we're just gonna enjoy, unfortunately, our last night in Vegas. Babe, are you sad that it's gonna be our last night in Vegas?
Hell yeah.
AC! I'm really sad. I can't. I'm gonna cry. No. Is it good, your food? Yeah. Is it really good? Yeah. Good boy. And eating your vegetables? Yeah. How about your daddy? Is it good?
Yep.
You love your lobster, yeah?
Yep.
It's so good. Hello, Bear. Today is our last day in Vegas, and it's really sad. We just enjoyed our stay here so much. It was so honored to be away from Hawaii, and now we have to go back. How do you feel?
Wow.
Would you stay longer? Nipples, would you stay longer?
Yeah.
What? Atheist. You want to stay here or go home?
Stay here.
Well, we gotta go home. Everybody wants to stay. It's just so, I don't know, we had just a blast. But we have to go home tomorrow. We're gonna be on the plane.
5 fucking hours.
For 5 hours. Okay, wait, put your glasses up there. Put your glasses by the TV. But we're going to go on the plane tomorrow. Oh, did you tuck him in? You never tucked him in? There he is. Who gave you that lion?
Papa.
Who?
Papa.
No, who bought it for you?
Papa.
Nana.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nana. Alright then. Don't dig it. That's... You're just going to town. Okay, anyway. We're sad that we're gonna go tomorrow. But don't you miss your doggy? Stop fighting. You don't miss Cupcake?
No.
Why?
I want to stay here.
Look at your face. You wanna stay here?
No.
You wanna go? No, yes, yes, no.
Yes.
But don't you miss our house and your car bed?
This is our bed. Carpet.
Okay. Well, even this 3-year-old, his heart is in Vegas. But like they say, there is no place like home. But I could stay another 3 weeks and I wouldn't care. Yes, he's sleeping. Time to go. Mommy's gonna go now, okay? You're not sleeping. So silly. You wanna sleep on Daddy's bed tonight?
No, I'm sleeping on your bed.
Okay, Mommy's gonna sleep with Daddy tonight, okay?
No.
Why?
I want to stay all by myself.
Yeah. Good night. Mommy gonna go. Alright, you little chicken nugget. At our house in Hawaii, he sleeps by himself, but in here, I guess because it's a different era, he just needs me to sleep in this bed. But I do sneak away at night. No. But yeah, so hope you guys had fun watching us. I'll vlog our way home tomorrow. So good night. See you. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night, babe. Bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Vegas.
Bye, babe. Yes. Ooh. No.
Say bye, Vegas.
No.
Alright. Good night. Going.
At home.
Are you sad we leaving Vegas?
No.
You happy to go home?
No.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, hello, hi, good morning. Welcome aboard on our international vacation to Hawaii. Flight number 112, service back to Honolulu.
I don't miss my
While you're getting
house.
You don't
comfortably seated.
miss your house? How about our doggy Cupcake? You don't miss her? Wow, that's really heartless. Babe, you ready to go home?
Yep.
No.
While you're getting comfortably
Bye,
seated, please
Vegas.
note that all of your
You've been
current
good to
items
us.
must be stowed completely underneath the seat so that you
Hawaii, here we come.